Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to use the sum formula in the Microsoft Excel. The sum formula helps us to gather all the values which are specified. All you have to do is write sum, open the parentheses, and then when you look at the explanation, it asks you to enter numbers and then a separation between it. You can manually enter your numbers, or you can select a few cells if your data type fits in this form, or you can basically sum up the entire range by just selecting it. When you will define your range and close the parentheses, after you hit the enter, you will be able to see the sum of the range chosen. I hope this video was informative enough. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.